wind is really blowing today, isn't it? Woo! Let's go through here. A little bit. And all I had was fruit. Yeah. They leave their trucks on if no one's in there. Who's it for? What do you say, fellas? How you doing?
News Channel 8.
All right.
Too bad.
Good to
How are
see
you?
How's it going?
Great.
Attaboy. What's
When I
cooking?
heard you holler, I didn't think nothing of it. I looked up the magazine.
How are
Finally
you?
dawned on me who you are right there.
Good to see you.
My pleasure.
Is this the trial?
No.
Or is it soap opera?
Yeah.
Naturally, the ladies are watching soap opera. Boy, I'll tell you.
Awesome times, right?
I'll tell you. Take care, fellas. Have a good day.
There's the restaurant straight ahead.
At least they paid that in miles.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you for
My
your
pleasure.
autograph.
All right.
Thank you for your autograph, sir.
These are
Nice
the
meeting you.
these are all the girls that served us today. No, I didn't. There, here they are. Come over here and take a bow. This is going to be on the Discovery Channel.
And I was the only one in the entire restaurant that did not get your autograph yet. Eddie Kraft?
No, I
Yet,
I didn't ask. I didn't ask.
we gotta go.
You have a nice...
Hurry up. Give me
gonna do
quick.
this?
Hurry up. Hurry up. Pen. What?
Deanna. D-E...
To Deanna. That's right. How could we forget?
I don't know.
I remember saying that they had a Deanna Durbin once.
That's who I was named after.
Were you?
Yes, my mother liked her.
All right. Beautiful. And you want one $2?
Here.
You somebody said they didn't get one.
I don't know her name.
What's her name?
Laura.
Nora.
Laura with an L.
Laura?
Laura.
Yeah. I should charge everybody for using my birthday president.
I have mine.
All right. Remember, with this and $1.25, you can get on a bus.
Thank you very much, sir.
Bye-bye. God bless. Gentlemen, how are you? Good to see you. How goes it? You betcha. How are you? Bye-bye now.
Would you
Would I?
autograph?
My Lord, look at this.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I've been watching you for more years than I'll tell. Because I don't want to say how old
I'm
I
not
am.
really that old. That's to Dorothy.
Thank you, that's me.
Can I have one too?
Sign my autograph. Don't get me in that thing, you might break it.
Listen, I've broken more cameras in my time. Is that it?
I'd like these two signs, sir. If I could get them, that's all. Wait,
Thank you,
like
sir.
one to all at row trucking?
All road truckers?
Yeah, to all at row. All at row, R-O-W.
All that row?
All at row, at row,
Wait a minute now. All, A-L-L?
yeah,
All?
at,
In other words?
yeah, at,
At, A-T?
uh-huh,
R-O-W?
R-O-W-E. I understand you support American truck drivers quite a bit.
You bet your life I do. You'll hear about it too on this thing that we're shooting right now.
Deal. We need all the good support we get.
You bet you do. Two?
To Lorene, L-O-R-E-N-E.
Yeah.
E-N-E.
L-O-R-E-N-E?
My good Cecilia.
Lorene, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. I'm right in the middle of Borgnine. And I didn't even write best wishes yet. It's been a long, hard day, I'm telling
I
you.
appreciate your
Sign me
time.
one, sir?
Why not?
Why not? CRS.
You're a trucker too?
You betcha.
Look at this. Look at this. Whoop,
Go Bulls.
whoop, here it is. Isn't that beautiful? Huh?
Chicago Bulls.
World champion too.
That's right. All the way.
What's the name?
CRST. Or just make out Bill Knowles. K-N-O-W.
To Bill?
Bill. K-N-O-W-L-E.
I always put down the first name
Atta boy.
and it makes it more personal.
That way you don't get too much rider cramp.
There
Appreciate
you go,
it, sir.
Bill.
Thank
Okay.
You. You have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. All right? Bye-bye, dear. How are you?
McHale's name.
Good to see you. Watch yourself. Don't knock anything over, whatever you do. Oh, my God. Look at this. 25% free. Of what?
Jeffrey.
Did you buy it for him?
No.
Why not?
Should I? I don't have my wallet on me.
I don't have it either.
Well,
Well,
don't worry
tough.
about that.
Next one. Ma'am, I didn't buy any gas here.
Not yet, huh?
Not yet.
Me too.
What do you need?
Just an autograph, please. Did you enjoy your food?
Eh,
You'll tell later, huh?
I had, what was it I had? I had something chicken.
Something Something chicken.
Chicken with rice and stuff like that. And I asked for soy sauce, and I said, soy sauce? We don't know from soy sauce.
This all for you?
Where'd you get it?
I got it. Yes, ma'am. That's it.
He's gonna buy one just to make noise and aggravate you now.
No, he's not on my bus. He's not.
It's for my son.
This is my son. From my grandson.
See, and then he's gonna send him over to your house.
Like the hell he is. Take it. Are we ready, men? Let's go. See you all later.
Bye.
Yeah, sure. Got a pen?
Yes.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Greg,
Greg? Yeah?
now.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
God bless you.
He was gonna shake your hand, but I won't. Okay, let's go.
See you later.
Yeah, we'll see.
God bless. Bye-bye, dear. Look at it.
I figured I got the country one for Jeffrey. Plays country instead of rock, you know?
Where are we?
You're a nice bunch of guys.
Hey, who? Hey, how are you?